In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to add custom watch faces on your Apple Watch. First of all, we have to install an app on our Apple Watch, also on our iPhone. So the app name is Watch Face. You can easily install this Watch Face app from your App Store. So just install the Watch Face app on your iPhone, also on your Apple Watch. And then go to your iPhone and open the Watch Face app. So we are going to use this app for free. Just cross this and this is a free app, so we have to watch ads here. And this app provides lots of thousands of free watch faces. As you can see, all are free and all are very premium quality. As you can see, you can just go ahead and open any category, and under a specific category you get a bunch of different watch faces. So just go ahead and select any of the watch face, or you can use the search icon to search for a specific watch face or watch face category. So now let's search for a watch face to add on our Apple Watch. Maybe this one, for example. So I'm just selecting the watch face and tapping on install watch face, and then we have to watch 2 ads. And here we have to launch the Watch Face app on our Apple Watch. So go to your app screen and open the Watch Face app on your watch, and we can see the watch face is now transferring. Once transferred, we can see my watch face successfully changed. Now let's add another watch face, for example this one. Clicking on install watch face, and we have to watch ads, and just tap on add to my watch face, and then the watch face will be installed on your watch app. And here we can see the watch successfully installed, and it may take some moments to appear the new watch face on your Apple Watch. Here you can see the watch face successfully applied. So that's how you can actually get custom watch face for our Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.